Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You want the joint exposed and stable before you strike anything. Begin by supporting the vehicle and removing the driveshaft fasteners so the yoke moves freely. This reduces tension on the U-joint. Once the caps are visible, wipe away grease so you can see the clip orientation and any rust. Make sure you have needle nose pliers and a small punch ready. The punch aligns with the clip groove, and the pliers will pull the clip once it's loosened. You're now removing the retaining clips. Do it methodically. Position a small punch against the clip end and give short, controlled taps away from the cap to loosen it. This prevents deforming the bearing cap. Once it moves, grab the clip with needle nose pliers and pull it straight out. Don't twist violently. Work the opposite clip next, rotating the yoke slightly if needed to relieve spring tension. If a clip is stubborn, tap around the cap to shift pressure and try again. With clips removed, push the bearing cap out using a press or carefully with a hammer and socket. Support the opposite cap so you don't cock the cross. Once free, slide the cross out and inspect needle bearings, seals, and the cross for pitting or play. Replace any worn parts. When reinstalling, seat caps evenly and fit new clips in the same orientation. Make sure they snap fully into the groove. If a clip won't seat, check seating depth and deburr the groove. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.